Can someone please explain to me what's happening at Walmart this week? First, I saw that they had a new hydrangea collection that I haven't seen in person and I haven't placed an order. I formerly have a very negative relationship with Walmart. And I saw this and thought, oh, that's cute. We could dabble into that. And then I went in store to get painter's tape and I found that they have a new clothing collection. It's from the brand Free Assembly. And can you tell me that this dress doesn't look like it would be found at J.Crew factory? And if you are about to come for me because of my shopping this year, my no buy list, this dress is 100% cotton. And then I found these pants, which would actually look really cute with this sweater. The gamble of these pants is that I didn't try them on and I do not know if they're going to fit me. We're going to do that together. But like a wide leg navy. These are J.Crew pockets. Here's the kicker. If you're new here, hi, I'm Chelsea. I had bariatric surgery almost 6 years ago. I formerly weighed 150 pounds more than I do right now. And I'm still adjusting, yes, almost 6 years later, to the body that I get to live in. And these are, haven't done this. I don't know if I've ever done this. So we're gonna try these together. In case you needed the receipt, there's no polyester here. We have 3% elastane. I don't technically know what that means. Is it this? Like elasticy in the back? Let's find out. Could be a real vulnerable post in a minute. These are intended to be a wide leg. These are wildly high-waisted, which is my favorite kind of pant. And I'm wondering if they would shrink or could I have them tailored? What do you think? What are your thoughts? Are these just not it? I don't want to say that they feel too big because that's crazy talk. Because I think they're just supposed to be wide leg. I'm not entirely sure. I wish you could see the bottom. Do you see what I mean? I'm only 5'2.5". So toes for free on this app. I don't know, you guys, what do you think? Either way, this collection is one to look at. There was a button down that I really liked. Like, I'm just genuinely surprised by not only the fabrics, the fact that a lot of these pieces were mostly or all cotton, but the lookalike-ness of some of these. So, yeah. I wonder if I washed these, if they would shrink up a little bit. I don't know. But okay. Okay, Walmart. Okay, I see you. I see what you're doing here. Also, I think these might feel a little bit bigger just because of the elastic. It's giving much more stretch than like an actual all the way around no elastic would, right? Do you have the hydrangea collection? Have you seen any of these pieces? Please let me know. Thanks for being here as always.